Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just to show you this 2026 Dodge Durango GT that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Durango today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this GT model does offer plenty of great features. Coming around towards the back, you can see you do have your backup camera, rear park sense, you can see your sensors across that back bumper, power lift gate, so you can easily access the cargo area in the back. Decent amount of room back there to store your gear and bags out of the way while on the go. You also do have a little storage compartment under there. That third row also does fold down when not needed. Again, just your power liftgate option. This Durango also does come equipped with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you get great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Taking a peek inside, you do have your captain second row chairs there, so you can fit up to 2 passengers in the second row. Heated second row seats, USB port hookups back there, sunroof up top, climate control options. Taking a look at that third row, you can get 2 passengers back there as well. So 3 passengers in total, or sorry, 6 passengers in total in the unit. Taking a peek up front here, so touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in there. Access to, of course, all of your audio media controls. Climate control options, heated vented seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, of course your Bluetooth capabilities, and access to just the apps and settings in through there. Below that, again, all of your basic audio media controls, climate control options, USB port hookups just in behind there, wireless charger. Trailer brake control, as you can see down in through there, push button start, key fob for the Durango here, remote start is included. Steering wheel mount controls, cruise control options, adaptive cruise control is equipped, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side, audio media controls in behind the steering wheel. Of course, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. You do have memory driver's seat. But that's just a quick look at this 2026 Dodge Durango. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.